wabarakatuh. Good morning. How are you all doing today? I wish you all the best and happiness. Okay, introducing my name is Fattadila Nurauna. My study number is K100200143. I come from the S1 Pharmaceutical Study Program of the Surakarta Muhammadiyah University, Pharmaceutical College. On this occasion, allow me to present or give a little podcast on medicine. We're definitely familiar with what drugs pill we have to take when we're sick, with the various forms of availability of medicine, color, and sometimes bitter flavor of medicine we want to keep free from all form of them. Here, I show the pamphlet of the material that I will discuss. You can also take a screenshot of your handphone screen. Is that medicine? Medicine containing active substances that can prevent, cure illness or solve healthy problems that have positive potential when used properly. The drug selection should be in accordance with the doctor advice because without proper use, drug can be dangerous. Let us identify the class of medication below so as not to be abused. When you feel ill, it is normal to go to a doctor immediately or to buy medicine at a nearby pharmacy. When your symptoms are mild, you generally know what medicine you will take. You should know the medicine on the market have a variety of the types or classes, function and use for each one. Because of perceived illness or disorders, both psychological and physiological, there are drugs that cannot be purchased freely but must be prescribed by a doctor. Number 1. Free remedy. Free drugs are marked with a green circle with a black stripe. This dot indicates that a drug can be purchased freely without a prescription. In Western countries, this drug is called a TOC or a over-the-counter. It is the most safe and can be purchased freely in stores, drugstore, and pharmacies. Talk safe. Free medicine should not be used indiscriminately because at any rate, drugs have chemicals that can affect the body. Freely purchased drugs are commonly used to cope with illnesses that have minor symptoms such as paracetamol, vitamin C, multivitamin, and anticyanidia. Okay, number 2 is unlimited free drugs. This finite free drugs is marked with a blue circle and black stripe. This type of the drugs can be purchased without a prescription but is still a potential one. So, thus with a curtains analysis, must be used the medicine carefully and should be used a prescription. While similar symptoms and complaints are common, the drugs used are not necessarily the same. Not the expiration date of the drugs, as well as the information on the packaging of prescribed drug use, side effect, dosage of drugs, storage of drugs, and so on. Furthermore, there are a limited range of few skins of free treatment drugs. Some of the over-the-counter remedies were CTM, theophylline, Tremenza, and lactobion. Okay, next, number 3, strong medicine. Strong drugs can be obtained with prescription medicine. The class of the drug is marked with a red circle with a black stripe and a K in the middle that types edges. Miscellaneous examples of potent drugs are mefenamic acid, loratadine, alprazolam, clobazam, pseudoephedrine. Know that these drugs cannot be taken indiscriminately for they can be dangerous, patient the body, aggravate the disease of cause death that must be used according the proper rules. And then number 4, narcotic class drugs is the most dangerous class of the drugs. Narcotic drugs have signs like a red circle plus and cannot use a copy of the recipe. The drug base Plant-based or synthesis narcotic class in the either synthesis or semi-synthetic narcotic drugs or psychotropic drugs can build dependence on user, and their use needs to closely monitored according to announced requirements and needs, conducts and activity at the given point. They are often used by doctors as painkillers and anti-pain or analgesic potential. Therefore, use of this medicine should be done only by a physician and or by a physician supervision. A sample of drugs is a cough syrup containing codeine. Next, number 5. Drugs phytofartin. The class has a green snow crystal tagged on a yellow circle with green rims. The difference between regular herbal remedies lies in the process that has been supported by scientific evidence in the clinical research are down to human, making a comparable to modern medicine equipped with other modern medicines. An example of phytofartin medicine is a medicine for strengthening a body endurance. Next, number 6, standard herbal remedy or OHT. Draw 3 green stars inside. This medicine is a medicine extracts from natural materials such as plants, animals, and minerals. Generally, it has been supported by scientific evidence, clinical research, toxicity tests, and complex processes. Skill and technology are needed during menstruation and medication to treat diarrhea. Next, number 7, herbal remedy or herbs. The packaging of herbal remedies is labeled with a green floral and the tree logo, with a green circle and of herbal remedies made from all parts of the plant that have been processed to get the benefit of safety products. Herbal or medicine remedies are usually hereditary for generation because they are assessed to have healing properties. Frequency example of herbal remedies to prevent colds.
Can you name some of the plants that are used as herbal medicine?
In tropical countries of Indonesia, there are a lot of herbal plants. Not infrequently, these plants are around us. For example, ginger, turmeric, kencur, aloe vera, betel and any more.
Can you explain briefly a process to produce herbal medicine?
Okay, for example of herbal plants remedies that we can make ourselves at home are red ginger. The step can follow this step. Okay, we don't feel like we have pasted a long time, and it has come to the end of my presentation. That was a little bit that I can explain to all of you about what medicine is and the groups that divides the types of medicine. Hopefully, this useful. I apologize if there's a mistake in words pronunciation and delivers. Thank you and see you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.